In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix caps lock reversed in Windows 11. So let's get started. So right click at the start button, select device manager. Then here you have to simply locate keyboards. Right click on your keyboard driver, select uninstall device and click on the uninstall button. Once uninstalled, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. After restarting, that will automatically reinstall the driver and see if that helped you fix the issue. Next method is try to press Control plus Shift plus caps lock key. Okay, press Control plus Shift plus caps lock key. Control plus Shift plus caps lock key. Okay. Then for the third method, go to the Windows search bar and type OS key or on-screen keyboard. Click on it. Now here, if you can find your Shift key in this color or which is stock, simply click on that and that will fix the issue for you. Okay. For the next method, click on the start button, click on the settings icon. Then you have to click on accessibility. Scroll down and click on keyboard. Make sure sticky, filter, and toggle keys are turned off. All the buttons are switched off, and that's it. So do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.